Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on interaction notification on TikTok. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, of course, we have to open our TikTok application on our mobile phone. And after we have this TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile, click on the profile button and click on the three lines on the top right to open the TikTok setting. Go to settings and privacy, and here you have to open the notification setting, this one guys. Click on the notification and make sure you have activated the push notification on your TikTok. I'm going to activate it. Okay, and now the notification has been turned on, and here you can select what kind of interactions notification that you want to turn on. You can select it right here. You can select likes, comment, new followers, mention and tags, profile views, repost, or post you interacted with. You just need to select it, and here I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to turn on all of the interaction notifications on my TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn on interaction notification on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.